1970 Buick Skylark custom convertible. Selling this as a project vehicle. Engine is free, it's not frozen. We have it at spin over. Have not driven it though. 350 underneath the hood. That is paired up with an automatic transmission. Turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. Obvious paint does show its age. It's seen better days. As far as the top would need to be replaced. It's a white top. Power mechanism, everything on it goes up and down fine. That works good. But you can see in the still pictures, take a look at still pictures, we do have the top up. It is going to need to be replaced. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, you can call us 507-386-1726. Give you a good look at the headlight, surrounds, grille, bumper. Power steering, power brakes. There is some corrosion down below. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. Has had a repaint along the way to white. Was original pearl white interior though, although you can see interior is going to need some TLC. Looks like we have some extra glass in here. Dash looks pretty stock with the exception of the missing radio area there. Faceplate, what have you. And again, you can see need some TLC around wheel wells up and down it. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. There are some miscellaneous items that will go along with it, and those are in the trunk. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. We shot the rear quarter here for you. Still pictures will give you a real good idea as far as condition and everything too. Take your time looking through them. Look at the underside. Looks like it has newer exhaust on it. Someone placed mufflers, exhaust pipes. So there you go. Selling what you see, priced accordingly. Again, 1970 Skylark custom convertible. 350 underneath the hood. Power top is working. Power steering, power brakes. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.